What's up, my friends of YouTube? Grant jumping in here with a little subscriber appreciation. I picked up a Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone that I'm going to give to one of you. Links in the description. Go put your name on the list and we'll see you around.
Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen, and if you are a longtime fan of the King of Random, you may recognize the clear glue and borax that Grant used to make Ninja Turtle ooze several years ago. Today we're going to be mixing up a few batches of that, and as an added twist, we're going to see if we can make it glow in the dark using the fluid from glow sticks. We've got clear glue, we've got borax, and we've got about 30 glow sticks that we're going to tear open and extract the fluid out of and see if we can make a glowing, gooey ooze. The first step is going to be opening all of these glow sticks and separating out the activator fluid and the dye fluid into individual bowls. The reason we've got our glow sticks separated like this is we're gonna try and get 5 different colors of our glowing ooze. A red, an orange, a yellowish green, a fairly blue, and something of a purple. With all 5 colors of our glow stick fluid separated, it's time to mix up 5 batches of our ooze recipe. To do that, we take 1 cup of water mixed with 1/2 teaspoon of borax, and then in a separate bowl we have 1/2 cup water mixed with 5 ounces of this clear school glue. Once we have all of those ready, we'll add the separate components of the glow stick fluid into the 2 halves, and then once we mix them together, hopefully we get an amazing glowing ooze. Now that we have our 5 separated halves of our ooze recipe, let's add the separated halves of the glow stick fluid into them. We'll put all of the dye in the side with the borax, and we'll put all of the activator in the side with the glue. That's interesting, it's turning a very milky white. The dye doesn't seem like it's really mixing in at all though. It's kind of just getting mixed around, but not combining. We'll see if this will work. Maybe it will just stay separated out more than we want it to. Hitting each of these with a black light and we can see the color that they're going to fluoresce if everything goes to plan. We've got a bright reddish pink, a nice highlighter orange, a very vibrant yellow, a nice avatar glowing blue, and a sort of purplish pink. It's not violet per se, but it definitely has a purplish tinge to it. This is the moment of truth. We have to see 2 things. 1, if the 2 sides of the glow fluid will combine and start putting off light the way we hope it will. And 2, it's also possible that the glow fluid itself will prohibit the reaction that normally turns into the ooze. And we're hoping that's not gonna happen, but let's find out. We'll start down here at the pink or magenta end, and we'll hope that there is enough space in these bowls to hold all of our liquid. Just kind of give it a stir as I pour it in to get as much of the glow fluid in as possible. Ooh, I think I see some glowing. Woo! Ah! All right, that's getting everywhere. Exciting. This looks really cool. It's interesting because the farther into the ooze you see, the more it seems to glow. So the outside barely seems like it's giving off light, but it's like the inside is, yeah, look at this. If I poke a hole down into it, it's like glowing more down inside the hole. Well, I think we need to mix up our other colors. Oh, that looks so cool. It looks like lava. That looks so cool. Look at that. Lava ooze. Looks kind of like a nebula in space. It's kind of funny when I fold it over, more of the color comes out. Like it looks pretty blue when it's flat. When I fold it, we see a little bit more of the pink in there. Guys, this stuff is ooey and it's gooey and slimy and oozy and it's glowing, and this is so fun looking. This stuff is amazing. There's one more thing that I really think we need to try, and that's just sort of combining it into one giant uber blob of glowing ooze. Giant blob of glowing ooze. Oh, now it's running off my hands. I'm not doing anything with it, so it just starts puddling and running in like a rainbow of glowing colors. I'm not gonna do that. I know what glow fluid tastes like, and it's disgusting, so I am not putting any of this in my mouth. Or this just looks like a living creature now. It's a very short glowing orange poop emoji. That didn't really work. And Mill's mess. Oh no! It's hard juggling things that come apart in your hands.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Grant here with a brand new Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone that I'm giving away to one of you for subscriber appreciation. I've got a link down in the description so you can get your name on the list and qualify to win.